Hi, we are back. Umadum again on the water, and we are with you. We were missing you, and we hope you were missing us. So we didn't make any films for the last month, and it has a reason. The painting of our boat was timed for 2.5 months. Finally it took 6 months, and as you see, it's still not finished. So after 6 months, nearly 6 months on the yard, we decided that's enough. We decided to stop renovation and go back to the water and finish painting of the cockpit somewhere in Anchorage later. We were pretty happy with painting of the house, and we got pretty much mental emotion stress with it, trying to cope this island time slowness. Go back to the water and start sailing again.
This is Tali from Russia.
This is Guenther from Austria. Come with her. Now she can sail again. This was so emotional moment. After so long time of really hard work for both of us, we found ourselves like heroes on the red carpet. We were going with a boat through the boatyard. Our neighbors were all waving us. Everybody was smiling and show us good luck, okay, and so on. And this was so touching. I was nearly crying.
As you saw in our previous films, Umadum had outside a lot of painting birds, dolphins. We liked this way our boat looked, but we couldn't save it. It was coming down, and now Umadum has a new image. Okay, now it's time to say goodbye to our lovely Carriacou. We are on the way north, 120 miles to Martinique. We have to buy some spare parts for our water maker. And as it's already hurricane season, we keep our visit in Martinique short. And then we are on the way 1,000 miles west to Colombia. Yeah, luckily I sanded the hulls pretty good, so we are doing 8 to 9 knots with one reef in the main, just a little bit of wind and we are flying. Wonderful. We have one reef in the mainsail because we have a new rigging and the rigging is untested, so We be a bit careful, don't make top speeds.
Around St. Vincent, we met huge fields of seaweeds, sargassos or whatever they call it. They look so strange, like you're approaching the island. So we were very fast, and we reached St. Vincent pretty early. We didn't expect to come here so early, and as you hear the engine on the background, you know that the St. Vincent blocked the wind. So we are motoring along the island and going to film the famous volcano. So, and in the best traditions of Umadum films, dinner on a passage. So today we have Sicilian caponata with tuna, aubergines, zucchini, tomato passata, and a lot of other herb spices. So incredibly tasty. Welcome to Martinique.